All right, so tell us about the truck.
F350 Platinum, 24s, and 37-inch mud tires. We're 4.5-inch lift on the front. Seemed like we checked the angle yesterday on a pretty low Chrysler, and everything was good, so we should be good to go as soon as I get back in the streets with it. We've got full delete, tune, about 200 horsepower gain.
Why do you choose to do a pickup truck over a wrecker?
I'm over the riding around in a 4500 short wheelbase, getting beat to death every day. I've definitely suggested for anybody that's a owner operator, or if you got an employee that deserves it, you know, which I do, you know, which he'll be getting my black one soon. But, you know, I mean, it keeps them in the road, gives them a little something happy to walk out to your truck every day.
Yeah.
That's the ultimate goal, you know. I remember days getting out and having to go to work and walking out this single cab Dodge and like, oh God, man, here I go again. You know, 4 or 5 hours in, I'm needing to leave,
or having to go back to the yard to get the truck. You know,
it's just,
you don't have to do that no more.
No, I need to take a nap. You know, lo and behold, you know, we all got to every once in a while. I got the room in here to do it. Got the comfort in here to do it.